I didn't want to work in a factory all my life. I wanted something of my own. I started learning trading at night after work, saved all I could, and my mom helped me out. I opened my first live account with $200. First trade was on Europe USD. I made about $20 profit, and that felt so easy. My first trade felt like a magic. It was a small win, but it made me feel like a king. That's where it went wrong. I got overconfident, put on the crown on so soon. The market showed me who's the boss, and I lost a lot. I just watched it all vanish. The crown felt very heavy, a mistake I couldn't undo. That loss woke me up. I wasn't king, I was still learning. So I took the crown off and I started again, slowly, trade by trade. Eventually, I made my biggest profit, $6,500. But this time, no crown, it was earned, not luck. It took time, but I made it work. Now, I leave from trading and I left the factory, but only when I knew I could rely on trading to support myself and my mom. Having the courage to start again after the loss was how I found real freedom. If I could go back to talk to my beginner self, I would say, don't rush. Stay humble, learn first, the crown can wait.